Hello everyone, we are from CSC. We developed a student feedback system to provide a feedback in an easy way under the guidance of Sudhir sir. This has two kinds of modules. They are student and admin. In this we use technologies like Flask Python Web Framework, MySQL, XAMPP Server, Sublime Text and Ajax. Now I want to show the running process of our project. First of all, this is the login page. In this login page, the admin can log in by giving the user credentials like username and password. After successful login, the admin can redirect to this page, and in this we are having menu like this, and it consisting of 6 tabs. This is the event page. Through this event page, admin task is to post some new event, like I am posting Project Space as my event, and I am selecting some of the courses here and click on submit. After the event creation, the event will goes to just created page. This is the just created page. In this we are having 3 buttons like edit, registrations opened and delete. By clicking this edit button, admin can make the changes here. Like I am changing event name as Project Space 3 and I am adding some other course here and click on submit. It will be updated like this. And this is the delete button. By using this, admin can delete the event. And this is the registration open button. By clicking this registration open button, this particular event will goes to registrations open page. This is the registrations open page, and this we are having registration closed button. By clicking this button, this particular event will goes to registration closed page. And this is the registration closed page. Coming to registrations open page, these are the present open events that are visible to the students in this registration page. Through this page, the student can able to register the event by giving their details like roll number, name, email, phone number, like this. Selecting some course and click on submit. After successful registration, this particular student details are stored in this database. This is the student database here, and in this we are having upload course completed students page. By using this page, admin can upload the students who have completed the course and they are only eligible to give the feedback. And this admin can select the event from the closed events. Like I am selecting Project Space 2, course as networking and click on submit. It will display the details here, and these are the students who are completed the networking course, and I am selecting this checkbox. By using this checkbox, this particular student status will be updated as 1 in student database. Here we can see the student status as 1. And this table, the students who are having status as 1, the students can able to give the feedback here. This is the feedback login page. Through this login page, the student can enter their roll number and event name and then course and click on submit. And the student can able to see this feedback from here. These are the students details shown here so that the student can't make any changes in this page. These are the questions. By reading this question, the student can give their rating like this. And this is the comment box. And this the student can give their own comments. Like I am giving very good here. And I am click on submit here. After successful feedback, the admin wants to view the feedback, overall feedback of particular course in this view feedback page. Here the admin can select the course and click on submit. It will display the overall percentage of this particular course here. This is our project. Thank you so much.